Hello from Bug Eye Guys. This is my 2003 ST1300. I want to take you for a ride, but first I just want to show you the operation so that you can kind of get a sense. This is a super clean, great bike that I've really loved riding. I've had it for a long time. I've had it since about 2007 maybe, so 15 years. It has something like 48,700 miles on it. And so we'll go for a ride and you'll see it still basically runs like new. They're just such wonderful machines. All the Honda stuff, I'm just so impressed. But anyway, you'll see for yourself. So the kill switch is here and that's working. We have it in neutral, so the start button's here. It starts up pretty quickly. It's fuel injected, so it's all computer managed. What we're seeing here is the trip mileage, and to reset that here is this, so we'll zero that out. It has trip A and B. Now trip A is reset to 0. The air temperature thing, it's interesting. I just rode this to the store and back. It's reading 102. It's more like 90, but it always stays at 3 bars, so it runs nice and cool. That's again another tribute to the Honda engineering. The gas gauge is working. We're 2 bars down from full. And the speedo and time are great as well. You have headlight adjusting, and I honestly cannot remember what this is. I never use this. I don't know what FCDH is. I'm sure many of you out there do. So you have headlight height here, and then you have the electric screen. I love this feature because I ride this on the highway a bunch. And so if you're in sport mode, I'm coming down to about that height, so there's a tad of clearance there, and that gives me more of a sportier look. And you're looking over the screen. If you want the highway mode, you can go up with it all the way up. And then we have all these lights in the front. These cans come on high beam only. Nice bright halogen lights and fork lights for better oncoming visibility. It's obviously no smoke. I wouldn't be surprised if this engine is still got lots and lots of miles left on it. It's only 50,000 miles, which is probably not much for a Honda. Kill switch works to kill it. Key off. Now let's go for a ride.